What is up, nation? Happy Friday, fabulous Friday. Dive right into it. Our Metcon is gonna go every 5 minutes for 20 minutes. You're gonna have 10 dual dumbbell squat jumps, and then into 8 broad jumps. Want to get as far as possible, and then 30 double unders into 40 seconds of shuttle sprints. It's gonna be 25 feet increments. Run those super fast. And then from there, those dual dumbbell squat jumps. So if you have 2 dumbbells, they'll be off to the side. We'll be going into that power position. So that little quarter squat, drive straight up. Ooh yeah. So what you want to think about is not getting as low as possible, but shooting, driving hard up, jumping as high as you can. If you only have one, right, hold it into like that front rack position, that goblet position, and then from there, try to get as low as you can from here, and then squat up, right? Same thing with there. Broad jumps, you're just gonna be jumping as far as possible. From there, the dip on drive. There you go. And then your dubs will be your dubs. If not, you can totally rock this 2 to 1, so you can go 60. And then your shuttle sprints are your shuttle sprints. I'm going from one end to the other, back and forth for 40 seconds as fast as possible. And then in that, every 5 minutes, right, once I complete a round, whatever time is left, I get to rest. So if it takes me like 2 minutes, I got 3 minutes to rest. So hit it up quick and fast, so that way we get more time to rest. Warm up though, we're gonna go 3 rounds. You're gonna have 30 seconds of jump rope. Once you're done with that jump rope, you're gonna go into 15 seconds of bottom burpees. After that, you'll rest for 15, and then from there, on the next minute, you'll go into 30 seconds of mountain climbers, 15 seconds of a hollow rock, and then 15 seconds of rest. That would be 1 round. Hit that up 2 more times, and then just as general warm up, 2 rounds, 100-meter run, 10 knee circles. Knee circles, legs are together, right? All right. Yeah, legs are together. Try to shoot those knees. Just going in circles, and then your cossack squats, legs out apart, staying nice and low. Shooting over, run, and then those skater jumps, just jump in side to side. On here, try to land nice and softly, just getting our knees nice and prepped for our broad jumps, for our Metcon. And then our goblet squats, just hold something, doesn't have to be super heavy, but hold it in that goblet position, squat down 10 squats, hit that up 2 rounds. And then post squat, it's just gonna be 1 round. You'll have 1 minute of seated split hold. And then from here, that wall up, down, sit, it's basically what we do in the gym, but it's where you go to a wall, kick my legs up, and we're just sitting there for 2 minutes. And then 10 windmills, right? Windmills will be here, going back and forth, and then from there, just a good 400-meter walk. If you're not 400 meters maxed out, just walk for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it.